guys, welcome back to my channel, and I have some happy mail that was shipped like ridiculously fast. She just opened her like printed shop with some of her clip art, and I'm so excited. So let's get right into it. Can you tell I like doing like first impressions, like hardcore, just first impressions. So, oh, I like this packaging. Oh, I'm so excited. Stop it. Look at that. I'm so excited. Look at this little, like, yeah, I'm so cute. So excited. These are so cute already. Like this is the reason I ordered. But let's be right. So if you notice, I like this color scheme. I mean, I have this here. I have new releases here. I mean, this is like right up my alley right now. So to say what, this was I think her first clip art that she drew, if I'm not mistaken, or the first one that got like super noticed, like this is what did it. And this is Magical. Alrighty, so hers are actually really wide, like really tall, like equivalent to mine. She goes the larger. I can't cut that way because I use mats, but this is really nice. Her print quality is really great. Usually new shops don't invest like 100%, I find, and that, I mean, she's technically new to printing, so I can say she's a new shop, even though her like digitals are not new, but like, I'll zoom you in. Most people have to go through many printers, and I'm so happy to see that she just went all out for the first like round. She could have had many printers beforehand. I don't know. I'm just saying her print quality is really good, okay? I'm struggling today. This is just such a pretty kit. I am loving this. Look, I love it. I got mini kits, by the way. I don't know if I said that. And then we have this guy. I don't use headers really, so that's kind of like useless to me. However, if you have a colorful, I'd see why she would include all of these. Yes, sidebar. I always need to have a full sidebar, so I'm so happy to see this. There were habit trackers on the other one too, right? So 2 habit trackers, 2 sides, and then some. I'll probably use these over here. Oh wait, she only did 2. Okay, that's sidebar. I'm with you. And then we have full, so we have full sidebar, so it's not wasted. I feel like it can always get wasted. So we have Hello Weekend and some of these arrows. I really like these. I actually have some foiled arrows in the works like that, so I'm really happy to see those in there. Cut is like centered on point. Yes, girl. And then the bottom washi. So pretty. It is not continuous. There is a small break in the washi. Just to point out if you like to layer your washi. Although this one isn't too bad. It's not like a person. So it's not like cutting their head off. You know what I mean. And then we're on to the one I'm like super excited about. I mean, I'm excited about this one too, but like, let's be real here. This is why I ordered. So I originally looked for this clip art so I could do like a whole like TN whole thing like with this, but it wasn't available. Although Glam Planner just came out with a kit like this, so she may be releasing this clip art. I'm not 100% sure, because like when I looked, this wasn't available, but Glam Planner came out with a kit using it, so I don't know. So I will just wait and see. This is a mini kit. Jeez, I could not split that out. So you got a little, is this, I don't think this is a sticker. I don't want to like pry my nails up in there, but look how pretty it is. I'm gonna add that to my TN right now. So here you go. You know, I'm so excited. This is so pretty. Like, it's just so well done. She did come out with a pastel version, and it looks so amazing. As in, you know, maybe coming home with mama. And then we got this one, the same thing. The sidebar, the checklist, you know, functional icons, functional items. And then the bottom washi, that is cool. I really like this bottom washi. This is continuous, I can't tell. No, it's not continuous. Sorry, this is like, sorry, being weird over here. So yeah, I'm so happy. This is a quick haul because she only had 2 kits and I bought both. So let's be real, I want to do that. So this is what we got. I am so happy. Her print quality, her cuts, her shipping time. This 100% was an A+ for me. So thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.